I'm buying another pallet. So yeah, I bought a pallet. This is the second one I bought. I bought one last, I think it was December, January. Just remember it being extremely cold. Today it's going to be extremely hot. It's going to be in the 90s and humid. But we're going to go through this. Hopefully, I have no business buying this, honestly. Like, look at the space I have. I'm buying it mostly for you guys, for the video, for entertainment, and I do expect to make money on it. Most of it's going to be kind of houseware junk that's not worth really my time. And there's like remnants of the last pallet I bought. So I'm going to go through this, and then I'm not going to try to save it for garage sales or anything like that. Everything I don't want to sell or mess with, like these types of knick-knack type things here that come in these pallets, I'm just going to take them to a Goodwill, redonate them, get a tax write-off, because I don't need this. So it's going to take me 3 or 4 trips to get it all here, and then we'll do an unboxing. Okay, so I got it all in here. It's going to be all of this stuff right here. Boxes and boxes. So we're going to go through this. I'm going to set up the tripod, shut the garage door because there's just so much noise happening. It's going to interfere with the video. I got this light on, and we're just going to do it right here, and we're going to go through each box. This video may be somewhat long, so I'll probably actually break it up, because if you didn't see my pallet video from before, it was like an hour and a half long, and when I have that much footage in the video editor, it's super slow to edit. It's such a pain, so I'll probably break it up, put it in about 2 or 3 videos, depending on how long it takes to go through this. I'm kind of optimistic on this pallet because the last one, all the boxes were really heavy. These boxes are a lot lighter, so there's a lot less dishes and stuff like that. So hopefully we'll get some electronics. There could be retro video games in here, DVDs, games. The only stuff that will not be in here is clothing and shoes. So everything else, there's a possibility. So let's get started. Okay, let's get into this. It's got to be well over 100 degrees in here, especially with the garage door shut. I'm probably going to stop and take breaks. But let's jump into this, see what we can find, see if we can make any money. All right, what do we got here? A bunch of junk. Here's something. What is this? It's like an old, look at that. That's kind of interesting. Let me make sure I get this stuff in the camera here. Got a Mickey Mouse Club case, phonograph. I wonder if that's in there. No idea if that could be worth money or not. So everything I think is going to be worth money or could be worth money, I'll set off to the side over here. And we will try to look it up at the end. Of course, I'll give results, summaries. Look, here's some ink. That's like a bread and butter item. Normally $45 was on clearance. Looks like that expired in 2012, but still should make at least a $10 bill on that, I think. So we'll throw that over there. What do we got here? Just some, like, looks like pet bowls. Little knickknacks. Now, a lot of people are just going to be like, this is such junk, but if you're a business model, look at that, some soap. I can use that in the bathroom. People do garage sales and flea markets. All this stuff really adds up, especially if you're only paying $80. Little jug. That's junk. Oh, look at that. Vintage 1991 McDonald's bowl. Probably not worth anything. Some more of that soap. Another like dog dish type thing. I think it said sugar on it, so maybe it's not what I think it is. Some fake books. Halloween cat. Like I said, most of this is just going to get redonated to like Goodwill. I probably won't take it back to Salvation Army, because the reason they sold me this was because they don't have room to put it on the shelves. So I doubt they want it back. They're just swamped with donations, which is odd because their shelves are pretty empty. Maybe they just don't want to put this stuff out. I really don't know. I'll either donate it or we'll have a, here's the lid to that thing. Sometimes my sister does yard sales, and I maybe could just pass all this to her. She can sell it for whatever she wants, and we can split the money. I don't know. She's doing that this year, or would even be interested. I don't want to spend too much time on these pallets or these boxes because I got so many. Look at this. Bag here. You got like the floor stuff, those little foam things. Looks like letters. This is the kind of stuff you could sell this probably for $5 at a garage sale. A lot of this stuff you could sell for a decent amount at a garage sale, and it adds up. Flea market, it's just not really my business model. I'm mostly doing this because I want the adventure. It's a nice, and actually a lot of this stuff I may keep for myself. This is Anchor, but yeah, I could probably use that. I don't have a nice one like that. But let's see here. Anything that I want to keep out, because I'm going to start refilling this box up as we go. Got some bubble wrap. What is this? What's in here? It's like a photo album. Look, yeah, that's $1 all day at a sale. Oh boy, we got some lotion type stuff. I don't know. I may save that stuff, anything like that, for me to use. Something wrapped up. Little. Oh, that's kind of neat. I could use that pot for some succulents. Gourmet Village. Who knows? Pretty cool little item. Again, I don't expect to like absolutely. This is just an empty box. Absolutely kill it on these, just because you really don't know what you're going to get. Healing cream for diaper rash. I probably don't want that. So we got a more soap. I do kind of want that. And you can see in here, here's some lancets. Not even sure what that is. But let me look at this camera here and make sure everything's getting recorded properly. So I'm going to throw this box to the side. I'll grab another one. Okay, what do we got in here? Plate. So I'm just going to start. Got little baskets. Got a lot of baskets in the last one. So we'll start throwing that stuff in that box. Newspaper, picture frame. All of this kind of stuff I'm not really interested in trying to sell. There's a canteen holder. I'm mostly looking for stuff that's worth selling on the internet that I can sell quicker or for more money. Here are some car cell phone holders, stuff like that. Nothing high end. Let's see, a lot of, oh, here's a nicer one. Pretty nice one. Hey, a bath bomb. Why not? What kind of stuff is this? It looks like suntan spray, suntan lotion. That stuff goes bad. Body lotion. All kinds of bathroom stuff in here. So, see if there's anything else useful. Looks like somebody maybe just cleared out somebody's house. Maybe they passed away and they just throw all this stuff from their bathroom in here. I don't know. But that looks like all that's in that box. So this thing was just loose. Like, look at that. That's pretty nice. It's in great condition. That's something you could sell for $3 to $5, I would think. But, you know, I'm not going to do it because I don't have time. We'll just redonate that stuff or pass it on to someone else. Maybe I'll lot it all up, sell it on Facebook Marketplace. I don't know. Here's some plush type stuff, some bears. Do we have anything noteworthy? Here is a doodle something with tags. Looks like just a bunch of generic plush in this box. So, just going to toss that off over here. Ooh, this one's a heavy box. This is probably all dishes. got electronics. Looks like a sound system. A Yamaha. This could be good. Got a subwoofer here. Yeah, there's a Yamaha unit in here. So we will set this to the side. I'll have this looked up at the end of the video. Give an estimated value if it's worth anything. Now remember, I paid $80 for this pallet, and depending on the system there, that could pay for the whole pallet. Okay, I don't know if like a lot of this stuff is going to come from the same household or what, but we got looks like some random junk here. I was going to start with some glue. Start throwing some of that over there. I want to pull every little item out of here because most of it's just boring junk. Anything broken, of course, I'll throw away. This LED string light. And let me tell you, I'm a very moist wick right now. Very moist. It is hot. Some wallets. Have some garage sale tags on them, so maybe stuff left over from a garage sale. Got some sewing patterns. And of course, if you see anything in these, they're like, hey Wick, you idiot. That is worth money. I should have gloves on digging through these, honestly, because I'm already seeing some like sewing needles. But it is too hot for gloves. Okay, next box. Ooh, what do we have here? Some Fisher-Price farm animals. It's a goat. I don't know. Well, that was smart of me. 1971. Okay. I guess we could look those up. It could be worth something since they're Fisher-Price and so old. Little picture. Hey, some more ink. Now this one's a little damaged, but still should sell and make some money. Little photograph, cutlery tray, a lot of baskets. That's to be expected. I don't know what that is. I'm trying to get it back on there. What is this? Precious Moments glass. Some of these things can be collectible, usually not worth anything, but we'll look it up. Baskets, a tin. What is this? Oh, falling apart. We do have some Precious Moments stuff, so that is broken though. It had the umbrella, you see, but that could be fixed. It's just something we'll have to look up. I don't think they're too valuable, so I assume all this, yeah, Precious Moments, Precious Moments. Bell, Precious Moments. Another glass, Precious Moments. Baskets, any good baskets, Longburger, anything like that. Doesn't look like it. So, yeah, this box was, you know, okay. Got some ink in there, should make some money on that. Alright, next box here. It's a long one. It's pretty heavy. Alright. Plush Craft. Was $21.99. BFF pillow. Actually seems to be sealed. It's a little dented. So we'll look that up. Looks like some sort of postcard type thing. Got some dishes. Royal Swirl. Fine China, Japan. I don't know. I don't know much about dishes, but since it's from Japan, maybe we'll take a peek online just to make sure. Just a binder. Here is a Christmas decoration. My last palette had a lot of Christmas stuff. Actually, I forget the brand, the Christmas miniatures and houses. What is that brand? Anyway, I had like 2 totes full of them. Oh, what is this? Got some vacuum attachments. Got a wind tunnel. Probably make some money on those. Probably not a whole lot. I don't think wind tunnel is that valuable, but certain vacuum parts do sell well. Here's a nice little canister. A lot of this stuff, that one says flour, so a lot of this stuff I can use myself, really. Now, the last palette, I got quite a few little things to add to the house. Little jewelry box, that's kind of nice. So I feel like something like this would sell at a garage sale for like $1 or so. I got here a plastic Christmas plate. We got a Pampered Chef, looks like ceramic dish thing. I don't know if that would be valuable or not. I doubt it. If it is, feel free to let me know. When I say valuable, I mean like worth selling online, worth shipping, and worth paying the fees and still making at least like $10. Something that's going to move for me. Nice little bowl in here. Punch bowl. Man, yeah, I think I could use that. Be good for some jungle juice. Here's a Hot Wheel toy. Looks like it's from McDonald's, so not going to be worth anything. You got Pete Cat's Got Claws. That's a Happy Meal toy as well. That's the end of that box. We'll fold this in and use this to store some junk. Ooh, might have broke something there. And I'll go through these boxes later, just to make sure. Fine comb. Look through these boxes. I don't know what I'm trying to say. I'm hot. You may see me pass out on camera. That's weird. That thing's just weird. I don't like it. Here we got some tins. Nothing in it. More baskets. Could be generic baskets. Look at this little clock. That is from Germany. Endura. Looks old. It seems like it's in pretty good quality, so that's something I'll definitely look up. Could be something. Tupperware. A pumpkin with like a stocking on it. This looks like a sexy pumpkin. A little bear. Little duck thing. What is this? Wizard stick-on air fresheners. Now that looks old, doesn't it? Say 15 cents. What year is this? 84? Oh wait, 50? No, 84. Can't see too well. Turns out I have some pretty bad cataract in my eye, my left eye, when I went to the eye doctor the other day. So he recommends within the next 3 years having surgery. And I thought it was just my contact bad, but when I started paying attention, I like cover my eye and even my contact in, it's blurry, I can't see. I don't know what that is. A lot of this dishes stuff, it's going to have a good name for me to care. I know there's a lot of people in my last video when I was doing these telling me about how, a lot of this, I was calling it junk. And made in occupied Japan. Maybe I'll look that up. I don't think it's anything. But I was calling a lot of it junk. And when I say junk, it's stuff that is kind of junk to me in terms of selling. It's not necessarily junk. You can make money off this stuff. Look at that. What is that? For your nails. That's really old looking. Kind of gross too. It's probably seen some things. Yeah, this is no need to go through this slow. I think a lot of this this the same? Yeah, this is the same pattern, that Royal Swirl. So I'll try to keep that together. So these boxes are coming from kind of the same household, I believe. Nothing else in there, so we'll switch to a new box. So you don't know really what you're going to get. Okay. I hope I got all this focused in. If I go to edit and it's like really bad, I apologize. I'm not really happy with myself, but it looks like it's all in focus and everything. What do we got here? Stone Path Studio cross stitch. Cross stitch stuff. It was done well for me, so I will save that to look up. Little candle. Binder with some dogs. Hey, look at that. It came from Goodwill. $3.99. It's going to go back to Goodwill too, more than likely. This is trash box. Gotta unwrap this stuff. Hey, look at that. Winnie the Pooh. Looks like something was supposed to go on the head. Maybe it's in here still. Little canister. Actually need some of those. So I'll happily take that. Is that a McDonald's toy? Tarzan. Sound straw. I don't think this is a McDonald's toy. I think it's just, I'm probably not even in focus, am I? No, Tantor. This is from, wait, what is that, Jungle Book? 1999. You know, I might save that and look that one up. That could be worth something. Here's one of the little Halloween thing. Start somewhere. Get it up back there. Here is looks like some ducks on a mug. It says Avon on it. So probably no good. At least whoever donated this stuff wrapped it up and at least cared about it that much. Look at that. Little perfume bottle. I don't know, if that's going to be worth it. I doubt it. The plastic looks pretty new. Here is Apres. Never even heard of that. Here's these Wilton cake pans. It looks like you got 3. Ew, there is something really gross on that. These do not appear to be Wilton. But, they may have some value. Not much. Probably not enough to sell online. What is this? This is Retner Dairy. That's a pretty cool container. Here's a rusty snowman from Christmas. Looks like it come from Big Lots. So I'm not gonna look that up. Okay. Hey, a Furby. Looks like a McDonald's Furby. Worth nothing. One more thing here. Oh, shot glasses. Or I should say one shot glass. And some other, looks like candle thing. Okay, and that's all in that box. Next box. Alright, this one looks to be some Christmassy stuff. What is this? Got a body in here. This is, I'm not sure what doll that is. Pull her pants up there a little. I don't know. Maybe I'll look that up. I don't think it's valuable. What else we got in here? Some knick-knacky things. Hey, look, it's Miss Piggy. These came from McDonald's. I used to have all 3 of them. Fonzie, Kermit, and Miss Piggy. Not worth anything. And then we got another one of these dolls, PBR. I see some doll clothes down there for her. So we're going to pull that stuff out. That's a doll clothing. Shoes and stuff like that. So I'll set this stuff off to the side. I am going to pause this video and organize a bit and get some air. So my phone shut off my flash, which I was using for extra light, because it says that the camera is too hot. So hopefully my phone doesn't melt during this process. But got a couple more boxes here. Let's see what we got. Weird trays. Don't care about. Looks like we got some media. American Muscle Car 6-disc set. Still sealed. Hollywood Classics, not sealed. All of season 3. There's 2 of these, exact same. So hopefully those are worth some money. Here's this little train. Ooh, it's a knife. I nearly cut my finger. It's a little knife there. It's in this box. Bradley pin set. That can't be worth anything, can it? We got some generic photo frames, 10, some thread stuff, pencils, twistables, Crayola, some sort of pencils. Here's some PBS sealed media. We'll look that up. Happy to see sealed media. Here's some more trains. Alright. Goes like so. Another pin. One of these little, I don't think this train stuff's worth anything. Some computer. Plastic spoons and knives. That's something you can always use. Maybe I'll keep that for myself. And nothing else in here. That is there. This one says kitchen dishes. Let's hope that's not accurate. There's a fly in here now. Open the door to get some air. Oh, these are not kitchen dishes. I would say it's probably worse. Christmas wreaths. All kinds of little tumblers. Some of these are nice. I'm gonna keep a couple. Long John Silvers. That's gotta be old. Let's see here. Not Pyrex. And some cups and tumblers. Brand new picture frame. Kind of nice. So that's about it in that box. So far, the best box, I think, has been the first one with the ink and the Yamaha box. So we'll see if we can find anything else. And remember, this is not part of my business, opening pallets and dealing with stuff like this. It's just something I like to do for fun and hopefully make enough money to get my money back on these pallets, hopefully make a little bit more than what I spent. And of course, it's good to make a YouTube video with, because I don't think a lot of people get this opportunity to open thrift store pallets or anything like that. Baskets, just all kinds of little knickknacks that would sell at garage sales. Got a George Foreman down here. It looks pretty dirty. Here is a Hamilton Beach toaster. It's not better than my KitchenAid toaster that I found at a Goodwill. And I don't even know what that is. Salt and pepper shaker of some sort. So that is nothing for me in here. A couple more boxes. I believe we are about halfway through now. killing my knees kneeling down here on this cement, but oh well. More concerned about the heat. Just a cheap looking pitcher, a little felt box, little plastic container. Not sure what that is exactly. There is, oh, is this a paper towel? Paper towel holder. I actually need one of these. Not sure I care about the apple, but yeah, I'll take that home, give it a shot. What do we got here? What is this? Some sort of storage for a locker. Another kind of container. Nothing special. Generic salt and pepper shakers. Another one of those long containers. And some of the short containers with corks. Not sure I would need those. 25 cents each. Who knows where they came from. This could have been somebody who sold at flea markets and just got out of it. Who knows? I wish in this palette though I'd see more media, more electronics, stuff like that. And most of the time that's what you're going to get is this kitchen stuff. Here's a Keurig hot filters or something. This could have a little value. Everybody see in here good? I hope so. What's in here? Cards? Something Christmassy? Yep, some ribbon. I know a lot of vintage Christmas tags and stuff like that. Pretty popular to sell on Etsy. Again, not really my business. Because I don't have it set up to move this kind of stuff. So it's just going to get redonated. Or, like I've mentioned before, somebody's having a garage sale and I can pass it along and we can split the money. I'm fine with that too. If you're watching this video, if you haven't hit that like button yet, please do so. It is hot. I am miserable. I'm feeling sick. But we're trying to get through this. Also, it's going to take me a long time to edit this. And I'm really not going to be making... It's not worth my time. Again, it's just a passion type thing. There's an interesting lampshade. That would be pretty cool, actually, to sell. I guess maybe that goes with it. I don't know. Well, that box was exciting. A waste basket here. You got some... What is this? Heritage pottery, not going to be worth anything. Generic trash can, not going to be worth anything. Some of these, the Grippets, might be able to use those at the house. Broken clock can go in the trash. And another boring box. So that's going to do it for this part of the video, everybody. I'm going to go ahead and edit this half and then do the other half tomorrow. So I'll have that uploaded within 24 hours of this video. And I want to thank you for watching. Hit that like button. Be subscribed so you can see the rest of the unboxing. And then I'll go over everything of value, what I think it's worth, and just kind of give my opinions. But again, thank you for watching. This has been Wick. Till next time.